So there is a new kit in FC Mobile 24, and I know most of you guys have started using it, and I'm also using it. So let me just come over to local room right over here, and as you can see, it's looking amazing right over here. So if you are wondering how I got it, just go over to Team of the Year event, nominee Passy, and just use 80 Team of the Year tokens to get it right over here. As you can see, it's really looking amazing. So let's go ahead and just get into a head-to-head match, and let's see how cool it is.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by my partner Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Al Nassr, and they take on Real Madrid.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Dias. Now with Maldini. Jairzinho. Here's Essien. The ball with Rodri. Andrew Robertson. Essien. Rodri. Rafael Leao. Are showing good patience. And out for a throw-in. Just misfired with the pass. Well, a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. Michael Essien. Good ball to switch the play. Gundogan. Michael Ballack. Kylian Mbappe. Jairzinho. And Real Madrid have the ball again. Rodri. The ball with Chiesa. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Well, they were very patient, but they no longer have the ball. Rodri. Rafael Leao. Michael Essien. Now with Jairzinho. Very quick thinking there. And teammates around him. But quick thinking defensively. Can they forge ahead? And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. And danger averted. Well read. That is that for the first half.
And also don't forget the lucky program.
Into the second half then, and Real doing the chasing. Theo Hernandez. Laurent Blanc. On the ball, Ballack. Kylian Mbappe. Rodri. Jairzinho. Ballack. Chiesa. Here's Mbappe. Ballack. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. And not a great challenge. Free kick here. This could square the game. Couldn't quite hang on. Well, that's a really top-notch piece of defending. Rafael Leao. Luis Diaz. Oh, superb skill. Now, options are plenty. Well, when all was said and done, Stuart, he wasn't a million miles away.
No, he wasn't, because he generates so much power from that sort of distance. His technique is brilliant.
Mbappe. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Andrew Robertson. On the ball, Rafael Leao. Well, it's a decent-looking attack, this. A disappointing end to the move. Puskás. Michael Ballack. Real Madrid attacking, and they have to give it a go with time. This could level it, and the keeper nowhere to be found. Not that he's complaining.
Well, let's take another look. Yeah, he won't get an easier finish than that. The defending was all over the place, though.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1.
There'll be a minimum of 3 minutes of added time.
Leao. Just the challenge. And so the final whistle is sounded at the end of the game.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. So make sure you comment down whether you're using this new kit. See my next video. Peace.